What's up guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to add an image to your README file. So if you check the tutorial on how to create a contribution guide using Markdown, you should have an idea of how to create an image. But in this case now we have our image in our file. You can see when I click on this is an image file. So we want to add it to our README. So to do that, this is how you write exclamation mark and then the square brackets. And then I'll put here the image, and then inside here I put the URL of the image. So in this case I can just click a dot and then it will suggest to me the URL, which is just, so I can open a preview. You can see this is how our image will look like. So if your image is outside, you just have to do the same thing and then put in exclamation mark, image description or alt, and then the image URL here. So basically that is it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.